Hi everybody, it's Dan and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these adorable ice cream cone cupcakes. They're just wafer cones stuffed with funfetti cupcake batter, topped with the fluffiest vanilla buttercream and some festive, adorable, very tasty sprinkles. I'll be sure to throw a link to the recipe down below in the description. And stay tuned at the end of the video for more information about the KitchenAid stand mixer giveaway. Now to get started on these tasty summer treats, we want to go ahead, grab yourself a mixing bowl, and actually I'm going to put this down before I eat it, but you want to grab yourself a large mixing bowl, and to that you want to begin to add in your flour, your baking powder, and your salt. Then you just want to give those a quick little whisk. Once those are nice and whisked together, you can go ahead, scoot those aside, grab yourself another mixing bowl, and to that you want to start adding in your butter and your white sugar. And then you just want to beat those together with your hand mixer on a medium-high to high speed until they're both fully incorporated and they're light and fluffy. I like to mix mine for a good 2–2.5 minutes. Once you've reached maximum fluffiness, you can go ahead and start adding in your oil. And incorporate that on that same medium-high speed for a couple of seconds. Follow that up by adding in your egg whites. And just get those fully beat in with your hand mixer. Lastly, you'll want to add in your vanilla extract and just blend that in for a couple of quick seconds. So we have our dry ingredients all whisked together, we have our wet ingredients fully incorporated. Now it's time to put them all together. So starting and ending with your flour mixture, we're going to alternate between our flour mixture and our whole milk. While being sure to blend after each addition, and being sure to start and end with your flour mixture. And you just want to continue to mix until you have a nice, smooth, not over-mixed white cake batter. Now, because this is going to be funfetti cake batter, all we have left to do is to add in all of our sprinkles. And then just fold those into our white cake batter. And just like that, in a couple of quick, easy steps, we have the perfect funfetti cake batter. Now let's go ahead, pour those into your piping bags, and we're going to begin to add these into our wafer cones. Now I'm going to stack my wafer cones in a cupcake pan. This way they are nice and stable while baking in the oven. As for the batter, you want to go ahead and fill each cone about 3 to 4 tablespoons worth of your cake batter. And of course, if you're not a fan of funfetti cake, you can also add in vanilla cake batter, chocolate cake batter, or your preferred go-to delicious cake recipe. Once your cones are all filled up with your delicious cake batter, you want to go ahead, pop them in the oven, and let bake at 325 degrees for a good 30 to 32 minutes, or until your cake tester comes out clean. So our cupcakes are done baking inside of our wafer ice cream cones. While they were baking and cooling, I whipped up some delicious, fluffy, not too sweet, oh so perfect vanilla buttercream frosting. All we're gonna do now is we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna pipe on a delicious, generous helping of vanilla buttercream on top of each ice cream cone. Now, just like the cake batter, if you're not a fan of vanilla buttercream frosting, you can go ahead and use chocolate, you can use strawberry, whatever delicious flavored frosting you want to use, you go ahead and use those for your ice cream cone cupcakes. And then lastly, we're just gonna sprinkle on even more sprinkles. Or you can go ahead and just dip each cone in a bowl of sprinkles. And just like that, for a quick, easy, delicious summer treat, you have oh so delicious ice cream cone cupcakes. The kind of ice cream that won't melt in your hand in this summer heat. And when we cut into it, we find that delicious funfetti cupcake, no leakage inside of our wafer cone, which is perfect. And just that fresh, vanilla buttercream topping with a nice sprinkle of sprinkles. Well, thank you all for stopping by. I had so much fun showing you all how to make ice cream cone cupcakes. They are so delicious and they are so versatile. You can top them with chocolate frosting. You can do a nice swirl of chocolate and vanilla. You can go for a Neapolitan effect. Really, just your creativity, there's no limits. They're perfect, they're quick, they're easy. They're great for summer, especially when you want something sweet, but it's too hot for ice cream. They won't melt in your hand. I'm gonna stop talking about them. But if you wanna see more summery and ice cream cone, delicious treats, I'm ready to eat this, I can't talk. But be sure to click that like button. It helps me out and lets me know I'm baking up recipes you all like, you enjoy, and you wanna see more of. And if you want even more delicious summery recipes, definitely click subscribe. Keep looking at it, it's gonna be so good. But definitely click subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any more delicious videos. Like maybe some waffle cone cupcakes. Oh, those are gonna be good. I think we're gonna do those next week. Plus, I still have 20 KitchenAid mixers to give away. So if you haven't already, be sure to enter down below through the link. Once you enter the giveaway, you'll have 20 chances to win and lots of ways to enter. Lastly, don't forget, if you make your own ice cream cone cupcakes, definitely give a tag on Instagram. You know, let me see what you're baking up in your kitchen. Alrighty, well, I'm gonna go. I've been waving this around long enough. I'm gonna eat my ice cream cone cupcake, grab a cup of iced coffee, enjoy the day, enjoy the weather. I hope you all can do the same. And as always, I will see you all in the next video very, very soon. Bye. Bye.